Greater LA has no shortage of horticultural displays and public gardens. Reasons to visit, most of them extend far beyond super blooms, fish ponds, and tree groves, as they also host lectures and fitness classes, house museums and sculpture parks, and stage food festivals and holiday lighting extravaganzas. You can see a Gutenberg Bible, Edward Hopper painting, and 16 themed gardens at the 120-acre Huntington Library. Nearby, the Arboretum offers forest bathing, evening yoga, roaming peacocks, and a tropical greenhouse. South Coast Botanic Garden designates hours for dog walking and has integrated an impressive outdoor art collection into the landscaping. Amid Descanso Gardens' 150 acres are top-notch options for cocktails and dining. They also put on spectacular Halloween and Christmas light shows. Bliss out on a walk through the tranquil Self-Realization Fellowship Lake Shrine. Even the valley has a formal Japanese garden with a traditional teahouse.